When I first got diagnosed, I couldn't come to terms with it. I couldn't accept my condition, and I shielded away from a lot of people. The treatment on chemotherapy has impacted my appetite, my outward appearance. I think I better give up. I don't want to do anymore. Slowly, I digest the procedure of CAR-T therapy. It doesn't seem as daunting as chemotherapy. I'm very inclined to give it a try. Since I have the support of my family, and the family is behind me doing all this, go and try, for which this is my last option. Either it's do or die. And it has entirely changed my life. The treatment worked for me, and it gives me a new lease of life. I am now in remission. In fact, during my treatment, I wrote down my do list. One of them is able to pick up my paintbrush again and do my painting, and going traveling with my family, which is the greatest joy. The moment I got back my health, I tell myself that I want to do something more meaningful to give back. As a patient partner in Open Voices, I desire to co-design a research plan with researchers for all types of cancer, and to train students to involve patients in research for the next generation of medicine.